add coolant to a 2017 BMW X3 X-Drive 28i. Notice that this is where the coolant reservoir is. Make sure those arrows line up. Do not open this when the car has been running. You'll get sprayed and burned. Hopefully you can see when I get this off. Down on the bottom there is a max min. So you want to fill that up so it just gets to the top of that, but does not cover that. And I'm going to be using, if this is the correct fluid, 50/50, ready to use antifreeze. So that's how you do it. Put the cover back on, make the arrows line up, you're good to go. Now, you probably can't see it, but where it says max, there's fluid up to that, but just below max it says min. There, you can see it, but the fluid is covering the min, but it's below the max. That's what you want. There you go, caps back on, arrows line up. Please like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video.